my loves, today I'm doing a bit of a different video for you guys. Now I promised you guys this video for a while now and I never got around to it, but I'm like, you know what, I'm feeling to try something different, if that even makes sense, you know. So it's make your own unicorn Slimygloop. So it's a kit that I got at Five Below, and I'm like, you know what, it has sparkly gemstones and glitter and everything that I love. So you know what, let's see if this is going to be a positive thing or if it's gonna be a fail. So it does have everything that I need inside of the kit, so let's get going and make some slime. First, I'm going to open the bag with all my supplies. I am then going to get everything all set up. Alright, so the instructions call for 25 milliliters of water, and they want you to put that into warm water, and then they want you to add the sodium tetraborate. Man, I hope I'm saying this properly because I don't know if I'm pronouncing this properly. And yeah, I felt all like scientific doing this, you know, it was kind of cool. And then you have to add that into your water and just mix it until it dissolves. I also had to add 16 milliliters of glue into the cup, and they said that there was going to be 2 cups in this kit and I only got 1, so I had to eyeball this. I am now going to add my pink dye into that mixture, and guys, with this you just have to keep stirring and stirring until everything dissolves and you get the consistency that you want. Now I'm going to add my cute sparkly gemstones into the mixture, and I'm going to keep stirring that, and hopefully I am going to get slime, and you know, let's see how this goes. To get the slime to form, you have to add in the earlier mixture that you did with the sodium tetraborate and the warm water. So you add that into there, and hopefully, like I said, you get slime.
Much later.
Alright my loves, it is much later now, and I have to say, this is gonna be a fail. My first like DIY testing video is a fail. I mean, I got this like gooey consistency, as you can see, but it did not, like, I don't know if I have to keep stirring, but let me tell you, I have been sitting here for like an hour and a half and I'm not getting anywhere. This is all I'm getting. I mean, like, I have gems in here and everything, but it's just not working out. This is all that I got. And they keep saying to put it in another cup, but they only gave me 1 cup in the kit, so I kind of had to eyeball it with this cup, so I put it next to the other cup and I was kind of measuring it out. But you know, this is all I got. So the first round was a fail. Maybe I might try making a second batch because I do have to make purple slime too, so I can see how that comes out next.
The next day.
Alright my babies, it is now the next day and we are going to try take 2 of the slime video. Now the first slime did not come out good. Really, my sister keeps texting me. But anyway, yeah, the first round of slime did not come out well, and I even let it sit overnight and it was just all liquidy. There was some like slime forming at the bottom, but otherwise it was a fail like you guys saw. So let's try this again and hopefully it comes out good, or this will just be a failed DIY or failed testing video, as you will. Alright, so I'm basically going to repeat the same steps that I did in my first slime attempt. And I'm going to add 25 milliliters of sodium tetraborate into my warm water, and let's see what happens. Yeah, I know, I'm pretty much making a mess by stirring this up, but you know, typical Sam. Now this time I tried something a little different. I put the glue before I put the water. The instructions say to put the water first, then the glue, but I didn't do that. Since they didn't give me a second cup, this time around I took a measuring cup and I measured the 16 milliliters of water. I added that into my glue mixture and I kept stirring that. I have to admit, I love the way that I did this better because I actually see something forming at the bottom. I am now going to add the last of my gemstones into this second mixture, and let's hope that all goes well. This time around, I am adding pink and purple dye because those are my favorite colors. I like blue too, but this did not come with blue dye, so we're going with pink and purple, and I just want to see how this comes out. I'm so excited. Alright, we cannot forget to add our first mixture in there with the sodium tetraborate, so we're gonna go ahead and add that, and let's hope we get slime. Alright my loves, I was so happy, like you have no idea. Once I started stirring and I saw slime forming, I was like, I'm so happy that I used the method that I did this time around because I made slime! Look how cute this looks! I know it's a little liquidy, but I love how this came out. Just a little heads up, this is very messy and I don't recommend putting this on surfaces that you do not want to get damaged. I'm so happy because this one was a success. I'm very happy. Look at this. It's all like gooey and pink. I mixed pink and purple, you know, dye together, and I have gems in here, and I put it in this really cute mason jar. And yeah, the slime is a little watery, but you know, we will work with that because at least it works. And you know, this one was amazing. I'm very happy with the way that this turned out, and it looks so pretty in this jar. Is that even focusing? Of course it's not gonna focus. Now it's focusing. I love how this came out, like I said, so I just gotta find a lid for this jar because this mason jar didn't come with one, so I will have to put something over it. But overall, I'm pretty excited with how it came out. Like I said, it's a little watery and gooey, but you could always like fix the texture and add more of that powdery stuff. I forgot the name of it, but it will be down below in the description box. But yeah, I love how this came out. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys do want to see more videos like this, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, and until next time, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
I found